Welcome to Pantechelearning. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. The GLCM, it is nothing but gray level co-occurrence matrix, which is particularly used only to read out the values from a grayscale image, or any of the converted images also can be taken. So this is one part of the feature extraction inside the image processing. Whenever we are working regarding toward this particular GLCM, here we have to know that particular matrix counts and how the image is taken in the form of matrix. So according to the coding levels and all, it is very simple. So here, this particular GLCM function, we will be able to categorize, and that particular categorize, we will be able to collect the data of the particular image. So that image values will be like this. So this will be the original image. If you are applying the GLCM, this type of conversion will be happened, and the features also will be extracted. So we can just see the red marks of that particular image, whatever it has been provided as input. So from there, we will be able to get in this kind of output. So this GLCM, it is mostly used inside all the neural network functions or machine learning or deep learning with images, as well as most commonly applied algorithm. So in what way means, whenever they are providing the image, after input, the pre-process will be taking. In case if we want to denoise that particular image, that also should be provided over there, known as denoising method. And after that particular denoising, we have to compress that particular image. So that particular image will be compressed, and from that we have to extract the features by using the GLCM. So after that particular GLCM method only, here we will be training to the neural network or any other machine learning or deep learning algorithm. So from that particular flow, we will be just directly skipping into that, and based on that all the values which has been trained inside the neural networks, from there we will be able to classify. So this kind of classifications we can easily say over here, and from this kind of classifications only we are able to train into multiple neural networks. Even if you go for any neural networks like CNN, DNN, BPNN, anything, so wherever if we go, the GLCM will be the major part of it. So today, one of the assignment, instead of that daily task, one of the assignment will be issued. So that particular assignment also will be related to this. So how to implement that particular GLC in MATLAB means, first we have to read an image. I am providing A equal to IMD. So within bracket, any image name should be provided. Any images are there. Okay. So here I will just save it 1.jpg. Now display this particular image, show A. So needed one figure in order to display it. After this, we have to apply our GLCM part. So for that, I am providing the variable as GD Greco matrix within bracket. We have to provide that input image, and what we are going to collect, it is nothing but the offset. Offset is one set of the matrix functions inside the GLCM. So that particular matrix we are going to take in the ratio of 2,0. So now I'm going to save this file. Okay. So this is nothing but the gray level value or the feature extracted value for the provided image. The input whichever I have provided, it is a scan image. Now the same thing if I apply it for color image means we'll be able to extract the feature. Okay, so since this is a color image, we won't be able to get the exact sections because here we don't have any of the two-dimensional section, because the dimensions that has been provided inside this, it is 3, R, G and B. Now the same thing if I convert it over here, now for this I am providing the input as B. Okay, so in this way only the gray level matrix will be applied. So this is known as the gray level values. So definitely the pre-processing is must for each and every kinds of functions. So the gray level matrix of gray level offset matrix for this particular part, whatever we have seen, so that comes under this particular format. Now the same thing if you want to see that different levels of gray and at the same time the limits that has been applied for the gray. So here we have to change that particular series. Okay, so let it be here. We can write it in a new line. So for that, I am taking the same space, echo matrix, the same keyword only. Only a particular keywords will be changed. So here I am taking B, and now what type I am going to provide is different levels. For that, the keyword is num levels, and the num levels will be varying for 9 rows. Now I am taking into the columns, which is known as gray limits. So this particular limits will be taking over here in the form of columns, and now we are providing some empty parameters. So previously we have taken in the form of 2 dimensions. The 2 dimension is acceptable. Now I have to display this particular variable. Colon is not much important, but even though I am just providing it. Okay, so we have some different values over here. So this particular value belongs to the GD, which is known as the offset data, and below that this value belongs to GF, which comes under the num levels and gray limits. So this is another way to collect the data, but both the variations are a little bit different only. Only small difference will be there depending upon that particular image. So for each and every process, we will be selecting each and every functions inside this. Now the same thing, if I want to take the particular data over here, like the matrix value of image means I have to provide it into 2 variables. So now you can check the matrix value, and therefore this matrix value, it is nothing but this is the portion. So starting from here till the last, I think there is a huge matrix value over here. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.